Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Point. So today we are going to start our next topic which is one word substitution. यानी कि बहुत सारे वर्ड्स का एक मीनिंग, यानी किसी चीज़ के बारे में हम बात करते हैं तो उसको हम एक वर्ड में क्या बोल सकते हैं, या फिर किसी चीज़ के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं तो उस चीज़ को हम क्या नाम दे सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज़ अ नंबर ऑफ शीप. जब बहुत सारी शीप्स होती हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको हम बोलते हैं फ्लॉक. अ नंबर ऑफ हॉर्सेस, पोनीज एक्सेट्रा ड्राइवन टुगेदर. यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा हॉर्सेस या फिर पोनीज जिन्हें हम एक साथ चलाते हैं, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज ड्रूव. अ नंबर ऑफ पिकॉक्स, it's known as muster. A group of bees, locusts, ants, etc., it is known as swarm. A number of horses kept for riding, racing, breeding, it's known as stud. A number of young pigs, dogs, cats brought forth at the birth, it's known as litter. A collection of wild animals, it's known as manager. A number of disorderly people, mob, rebel, canile. A number of singers in a church, it's known as choir. A collection of poems, anthology. A number of persons of the same race, character, etc., it's known as tribe. A group of beautiful ladies, bevy. A collection of flowers, bouquet. A cluster of houses in a village, hamlet. A mass of hair, shock, fell. A number of stars grouped together, constellation. A collection of rays, pencil. A number of people following a funeral, it's cortege. Persons working at the same working place, colleague. A number of judges or bishops, it's known as bench. So this is what we were talking about, numbers. Now we have places. So let us start. A place where birds are kept, it's known as aviary. A place where bees are kept, it's known as apiary. A place where fish are kept, aquarium. A place where pigs are kept, sty. A house or shelter of Eskimos, it's igloo. ये तो आप बहुत जगह पढ़ते हैं, right? A place where dogs are kept, kennel. A house, box in which pigeons or doves live, it's dovecat. Next is the home of a lion, its den. The resting place of wild animals, its lair. A residence for monks or priests, its monastery. Now we have our second page. A place where animals are slaughtered for the market, its abattoir. A place where aeroplanes are kept, hangar. The kitchen of a ship, its galley or caboose. A place where athletic exercises are performed, gymnasium, जिन्हें हम जिम भी कहते हैं. A place for storing grain, granary. A place where money is coined, mint. A place where fruit trees are grown, orchard. A place where orphans and housed, orphanage. Next is a street open only at one end, it's cul-de-sac. Cul-de-sac. A place where water is collected and stored, it's reservoir. Now we are talking about professions and traders. So one who carves in stone, it's known as sculpture. one who cuts precious stones. Lapidist, one who deals in fruits. Fruiterer, one who sells small articles such as ribbons, laces, thread, etc. It's known as haberdasher, a professional rider in horse races. Jockey, one who looks after horses at an inn, etc. Ostler, one who studies the past through objects left behind. Geologist, one who studies the stars. Astronomer, one who cleans the street. Scavenger, next is one who sells sweet and pastries, etc. It is known as confectioner. One who draws map. Cartographer, one who collects postage stamps. It's philatelist, one who walks on ropes. Funambulist, one who performs daring gymnastic feats. Acrobat, one who makes pots, cups, etc. Potter, one who travels from place to place selling religious articles. Colporteur, a person in charge of museum. It's curator, one who loads and unloads ship. Stevedore, one who compiles a dictionary. Lexicographer, one who studies the evolution of mankind. It's anthropologist. Now, if we are talking about characteristics of person, one who looks on the bright side of things, it's optimist. One who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind, it's philanthropist. A hater of mankind, misanthrope. One who walks in sleep, somnambulist. One who talks in sleep, somniloquist. One who dies for a noble cause, it's known as martyr. This is our last page, and we are going to finish the last one till 100. One who is new to something, novice, neophyte, a lover of animals. Zoologist, who engages in any pursuit for the love of it, not for gain. It's amateur, one who feeds on fruit. It's fruitarian, one who journeys from place to place. It's itinerant, one who journeys on foot. Pedestrian, one who journeys to a religious place. Pilgrim, an expert in storytelling. Raconteur, one given to luxurious living. Sybarite, one versed in many languages. Linguist, one who can use both hands equally well. It's ambidexter, a messenger sent in great haste. Courier, a authority or pronunciation. It's orthopist, one who collects coin. Numismatist, an unthankful person, ingrate, one sent out on a mission. It's a missionary, a partner in crime. It's accomplice, one living at the same time as another. Contemporary, one who abstains from alcoholic drinks. It's teetotaler, a woman with light colored hair, blonde, one who believes in the existence of God. It's theist, one who cannot pay in debts, bankrupt or insolvent, one who knows everything. Omniscient, one who is all powerful, omnipotent. Now, forms of government. Government of people is democracy. Government of nobility is aristocracy. Government dominated by officials, it's bureaucracy. Government by a few, it's oligarchy. government by a sovereign with uncontrolled authority, autocracy or despotism. Now we have miscellaneous. It is also known as miscellaneous. So a list of book, catalog, a speech made for the first time, margin speech, a speech delivered without previous preparation, extempore, word for word, it's verbatim, a remedy for all diseases, it's panacea. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet tomorrow with our next class. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you have any doubt related to this or any other topic, just ask me in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe it. Share our videos so that the knowledge can be spread. Thank you.